Something I've been wanting to do for quite some time is set up some beehives on the property. I hear them buzzing in the woods around here. I know there's a lot of bees around here. I'd love to have my own hive set to just see them progress, see them multiply, maybe even get some honey out of it. I don't know. But it's something out here that a lot of people do in the hill country with wildlife, and they're able to really expand it kind of rapidly. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. I got this set sent to me by VEVOR. They make all kinds of tools. They make all kinds of housewares as well, and this is one of them. Looks like a complicated setup here, but we will see. I'll take you through the journey, and we'll put this together. Lots of little parts in here, lots of screens, all made out of wood, and got metal screens, but it looks to be an all-natural type of product here. And so let's go. Let's put this together. We'll get it set up. I'll probably have a couple of videos over time as the hive gets found by the bees, and hopefully we'll get a bee colony in there and learn some more about it. So let's go. All right, so we got the whole hive constructed. What they give you, multiple different sections. We start with the base down here, and then the first section. And then this is they call it a queen screen. I'm not sure what this is for yet, but they recommend it goes at the bottom here. You've got all your different honeycomb sections here, all the way through. And we'll set this piece right here and start stacking up. And the same thing, got screens all the way through. And then here, you've got a plexiglass cover, so you can see what's going on in there. Got some venting with the holes in the side of the plexiglass. And it goes to the smaller section. These aren't quite as tall top to bottom. And not sure why, but these are yellow versus the black. These are both black. Same thing with the plexiglass cover. And then the top, it's got a steel or aluminum piece on the top here. I guess it's tin. And there's another cover here. And this whole thing is the stack that you're going to use. So next steps for this will be to take it out into the wooded area that I have where I've had bees in the past set up nests. And we'll get it established out there. And then we'll come back with another video in a few months and see how we do this summer. If we get any bee colonies taking roost in here. But otherwise, this whole thing, quality is really good. I like the way these pieces just lock together. I did have to nail each of the different screens together, but that was really easy. It was just a couple taps, very small finish nails. It's all waxed. You can just feel it all throughout. So they say to treat it with beeswax to keep it in good shape and keep it waterproof. The steel on the top will definitely help with that. But overall, pretty good quality, very heavy. This comes in a very heavy box, so it's a lot of wood in here for you to put together. So I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this VEVOR set of a complete stack for a honeybee hive. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.